Customer satisfaction survey. Customer satisfaction survey. Customer satisfaction survey. Customer engagement. Customer engagement. Customer engagement. Customer churn. Customer churn. Customer churn. Customer relationship. Customer relationship. Customer relationship. Customer analytics. Customer analytics. Customer analytics. Customer satisfaction survey. For example, we conduct regular customer satisfaction surveys to gather feedback. Customer engagement. For example, customer engagement is essential for building strong relationships. Customer churn. For example, reducing customer churn is a key objective for our customer service team. Customer relationship. For example, building strong customer relationships is key to long-term success. Customer analytics. For example, customer analytics provide valuable insights into customer behavior.